You and I have a company where we do maintenance on aquariums. And we would like certain information about January through June. And we got this workbook that has each month on a separate tab. How do we answer a question like how many freshwater tanks versus saltwater tanks? How many repeat clients do we have? Can we compare residence versus non resident locations? We need to get them all in one place so that we can then do our analysis, and it's not going to be so hard. Here's how we do it. I'm going to open a new workbook, and I'm going to close the other one. Maximize. Now, bring this into Power Query. Data. Get data from file, from workbook. Now I'm going to navigate to where that file is saved. Desktop, there it is. Append multiple sheets, double click. Let's look at April as a preview. Beautiful. But we're going to select the folder. That represents the full file and not just a sheet. Transform data. And here it is. The data column is a table. That's where our actual data is. But let's look at the other columns. Okay. We don't want hidden. We know the kind is sheets. The items we want to keep the name and the data columns. So with the name column already highlighted, I'm going to hold down the control key, select the data column, right click, remove other columns. And I'm keeping the name column so that I know where the data came from. All right, expand. We don't want to use this original column name. Okay. Now here is our data, and we've got some cleanup to do. We need to rename these headers. Call this month, customer, aquarium, setting, then size in gallons, close parentheses, enter. Now we get rid of the headers that were brought in from each of the sheets. One way we can figure that out is where it says size in that size column. Go here and filter that out. Unclick, OK. Close and load it to the workbook. Now all of our data is in one place, no copying and pasting, and we can do any type of analysis that we like.